Google Analytics strategies to measure SEO success. Search engine optimization (SEO) is the process of increasing the quality and quantity of website traffic by increasing the visibility of a website or web page to users of a web search engine. In SEO, measurement is critical to success. Tools like Keyword.com helps a business measure their SEO efforts, and in turn increase their revenue. However, concentrating on your keyword ranking is important, but not enough. When marketers go beyond keywords, they showcase different ways through which organic searches bring profits to a business. There are many SEO measuring tools including Google Analytics. Google Analytics measures and reports on your SEO efforts. Here you'll find 5 Google Analytics strategies to measure SEO success. 1. Know your organic search traffic. This helps you to know which keywords and landing pages are performing better in generating quality traffic to your website. To do this, you need to take a close look at your channel grouping report by clicking at Acquisition, then All Traffic and Channels, Acquisition, All Traffic, Channels. 2. Take note of slow loading pages. Pages that load slowly reduces your SEO success. You need to work on your site speed, especially on your landing pages. To work on this, identify a possible problem by going to Behavior, then Site Speed, and click on Page Timings. Set an average page load time and solve the problem if the speed is slow. 3. Monitor referral traffic. In business, one should keep track of all the referral traffic they get from their external sources. These sources could constitute those from social media platforms. With Google Analytics, one gets an opportunity to monitor the number of referrals obtained from a particular page. In so doing, businesses can optimize on the media platforms that bring in most referrals. This data can only be obtained from the referral traffic report. The report, therefore, helps one to determine the referral traffic strategies that work best for them. 4. Get a dashboard. Once you install Google Analytics for your website, it allows you to create the dashboard interface. There are many benefits to building a dashboard today, such as increased visibility for your business, saves time, and gives improved results. Others are increased productivity, reduced stress, and increased profits. Creating a personal dashboard is very easy. Here are the steps. Click on Dashboard greater than New Dashboards. Next, click on Plus Add Widget. This is the stage that allows one to add all the relevant information that they want. Once completed, you have your personal dashboard at all times. 5. Add financial value to your keywords. In this case, you must have access to your Google AdWords profile and sync your Google Analytics with a Search Console account. Then you compare the cost of your keywords if you were to purchase them in Google AdWords campaign. This is to say, you need to get search volume data and trends, enter your top keywords, and click on Get Search Volume. Click on Keyword Ideas and every keyword that you entered will pop up with a possible bid amount. This is usually the estimated amount that most advertisers pay for keyword listing. Many thanks for watching and see you in the next video.